Hi everyone, you're all welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful satin bag with pearl hand. So if this is your first time of joining us, thank you for being here. Stay tuned and let's dive right into the video. To begin, I'm going to be using this fabric. This is a Duchess fabric. You can use your doll face satin, your shiny face satin, just based on your preference. I'm using just 1 yard of this fabric. So I'll go ahead and measure 20 inches in width and 20 inches in length. I'll mark that out, right? So 20 inches in width, 20 inches in length, and I'll cut it out. After that, I'm going to fold it into two just like this. Let me fold the wrong face. And then I'll fold it again into two just the way I'm going about it. Then I'll go ahead and place my tape at the tip and mark out my measurement of 10 inches. Let me turn it this way so you can see it better. So I'll place my tape at the tip right there, and I'm going to be marking out 10 inches. Sorry guys, we have a lot of designers on the table today. So yes, I'm marking out 10 inches, and I'll go on and connect my dots and then cut it out. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and turn on your post notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. After cutting out the circle, this is what we have. I'll go on and cut out another one. So we have two circles here. I'll be placing it right facing each other. I'll go over to my sewing machine. Using 1/2 inch, I'm going to stitch it all around, but I'm going to leave 2 inches open to turn it out. I'll go ahead and cut a smaller circle again. So I'll be folding this fabric, which is like 9 inches in length and in width. So I'll be marking out 3.5 inches all round, just the way you see me doing in the video. I'm marking out 3.5 inches, and I'll go on and cut it out. After cutting it out, this is what I have, just a little circle. I'll cut out another one again, making it 2. All right, I'm going to trim the excess I have at the other part. So now this is the other one. I went ahead to attach interfacing. I used a hard stay on it. So I'm placing right facing each other, and I'll go over to my sewing machine and sew it all around using 1/2 inch. I'm done sewing, and remember the 2 inches we left open. So I'm going to be pulling the fabric to the right face through that 2 inches. I'm pulling it like this. This is what we have. I'm going to pull it out and arrange it properly before giving it a good press. I'll top stitch at that opening. And for the smaller one, remember I added a stay, so just go ahead and notch all around before pulling out so it will relax well. This is what we have. All right, I'm going to top stitch to close up that part. I've gone ahead to iron, and I'm going to place my tape at the top, and I'll be marking out 1.5 inches all round the fabric. I'm going to marking out right now 1.5 inches. I'll go over to my sewing machine and sew following that marking. So now from that point where I just stitched, I'll be coming down by 1/2 inch. I'll take it all round, and then I'll go over to my sewing machine and I'll sew it all round. Also, I'll determine the midpoint of my circle. I'll mark it, and then determine the midpoint of the little circle as well. I'm going to place them together. I'll go over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to sew all round. I'm done sewing it all round. This is what we have at the other face. I have this rope. I'll be fixing it into my safety pin. I'll go ahead and I'm going to cut a bit in between these 2 stitches. Make sure your cutting does not affect the back part of your fabric, just the part facing you. And I'll be inserting the safety pin and the rope through it just like this, and I'm going to be pulling it to make my ruffle. I'm going to take it all the way down to the other end, just like this. So this is it. I'm going to pull it out at this point and go ahead and adjust it while you pull. So you can see our bag is taking shape. I'm going to pull it like this and we have our beautiful bag. Right, you can tie the rope and put it inside. So you can just put your rope inside the bag. Then for the hand, I have these pearls here, these beads. They are off-white. And I also have this copper wire that I'll be using. Okay, this one is not thick. When you're getting yours, get the thicker one. So because this one is really light, I'm going to place more on it. I'll be putting 5 strands of it together and I'll be twisting it together like this so it can have stability. Then I'll go on and insert my beads into it. I'm done inserting the beads and this is what I have. All right, the next thing is to attach it to the bag. At that point there, at the edge there, I kind of folded it up so that it can the beads won't fall off and I'll be able to stitch at that point as well. So with my needle and thread, I'll go on and stitch. So this is how I'll be going about it. And at the end, this is what we have. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.